In this video I'll demonstrate you how to make money online with a free Google trick, which is one of the easiest ways to work from home. We are about to discover how to perform it. So right now I'll demonstrate you how to create a passive and inactive income river by operating an easy Google trick with just one click of a button using this totally free software. And guess what? You don't have to empower any money to get launched, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Also, I have an outstanding bonus for you at the end of this video, so be sure to hang around and watch until the very climax. Before we go distant to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will introduce you the most up-to-date making money online concepts, tips and techniques. And don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and blow the like button and press the notification horn so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't skip to leave a comment below. Now let's get around to the video. The step 1, which is going to news.google.com, and step 2, which is going to Google News, which is a news aggregator service expanded by Google, where you can find all of the latest news from all over the planet. And here on the left hand side you can see all of these numerous categories enclosing your country, what's going on in the world, your local news and business, technology, entertainment, and so on. If you click on business right here, you'll get all of the most current business news from your own country as well as from around the world. Shifting on to step 3. This news will update every couple of hours, and new articles will be published on a certain theme, which in this case will be business, as you can notice right here. This one was posted earlier. This one was posted many hours before, and so on. You can open any of these articles and use them to produce money online. So for example, this article will be used. All we have to do now is click on this exact article, which will take us to this website. As you can see, this is the complete article, but you can utilize it to make money, and I'll demonstrate you how. So for this stage I want you to duplicate this article. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy 2 phrases from this post to reveal you how this works and how you can get money from Google News articles. To get to step 4, all you have to do is go to Quillbot.com. Quillbot is a free online application that can professionally edit those articles for you, so you may use them to produce money online for free again and again. So all you have to do is paste your article here and click paraphrase, and it will entirely rewrite it for you. The greatest part is that it will all be done for you for free. So as you can see, on the left you have the actual article, and on the right we have the reworked passage, which is now different and ready to use now with a single click of a button. I can copy this rewritten article and use it to make money online. And you can do the same thing for all the articles from multiple categories that are available in Google News, which are modernized every couple of hours. So you have thousands upon thousands of articles to select from, each of which can make you money again and again. Stay tuned for later in this video, where I will give you free extras that will allow you to generate even more money. Moving on to step 5. There are 2 ways to make money with those reworded articles. The first will not make you a ton of money, but the second will make you thousands of dollars, and it has already made tens of thousands of dollars for people all over the planet. Before we go any details, I'll give you some moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up if you've liked the video thus far, and if you found this video fascinating and informational, please leave a comment below. We'd like to listen what you have to say. It's now moment to get back to work and earn some money. Returning to the video, the first and least expensive procedure is to use textbroker.com. Textbroker collaborates with major corporates such as Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you compose. Of course, you won't have to develop those articles yourself, since, as I just indicated, you can have them written for you for free with a single click of a button by assigning a simple Google trick to make money online. All you have to do presently is go to textbroker.com and click on I write content right here, which will take you to the successive page, where you can learn more about how to make money writing articles for Textbroker. Textbroker's registration is totally free, and you can start earning money right away by producing numerous articles. You may now specify how much money you will make by going to the payment area right here and clicking on more details. As you can observe, 1000 words will earn you $50, and you can actually find a lot of 1000 word articles on Google News. So the lengthier the article, the higher the earnings. If your piece is longer and better, you will earn more. So let's assume you can earn up to $500 for 10,000 words. The satisfactory part is that you can do it over and over again. But keep in mind that it will not make you nearly as much money as the second method of making money with free articles. To get started with Text Broker, simply click on free author registration right here, create a completely free account and start earning money with those articles. The second way you can profit from those free articles is to use freelancing sites such as Favorite.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, Quickenjigs.com, Peoplepua.com, Upwork.com, and so on. There are many numerous freelancing websites that you can use, not just Fiverr, because using additional of them would allow you to earn a lot more money. So if you sell on 10 distinct freelancing websites, you can tenfold your earnings. However, if you only sell on one website, there is only one way to profit from those articles. So the more you do it, the more money you make. So if you go to Fiverr.com and type in article writing, it will show you all of these numerous people who are giving rise to money by writing simple articles. But the problem is that they are performing it the hard way, because they are performing it themselves, which means it takes them a lot more time and effort to write those articles, and customers don't like to wait. And since you can deliver those articles almost immediately, you will be 10 steps ahead of all your oppositions and you will earn more money. You can see how it works by looking at how one person charged $35 for the service and made over $10,000 in revenue. How this individual charged $40 and made over 300 sales. How this individual charged $80 and made 124 sales, and so on. These are all signs that it works. These people are earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing basic articles, and this is only on one highly sporting freelancing website called Fiverr. As a result, I forcefully recommend you to use other freelancing websites as well, as there are other Fiverr alternatives, as I demonstrated previously in this video. The additional freelancing websites to use, the higher your profits will be. This method is actually easy to use and entirely free. The best part is that it works anywhere in the planet, and that's it. If you is the lover-related content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you like it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the successive video.